Coffee is often hailed as a natural laxative. Many of us rely on that morning cup to kickstart digestion. But let's be real, not everyone gets the results they're hoping for, especially as we age. If your coffee isn't delivering that push, don't worry, you're not alone, and there's a fix. Here's the thing, coffee stimulates your digestive system by activating the colon. But several factors can block its effectiveness. Dehydration. Coffee is a mild diuretic, and if you're already dehydrated, it might work against you instead of helping. Brewing methods. Using over-extracted coffee or overly bitter blends can disrupt digestion. Food pairings. Pairing coffee with heavy or constipating foods like pastries or dairy-loaded creamers can counteract its natural laxative effects. Now, let's fix it. Here are some actionable tips to help coffee support your digestion. Hydrate first. Start your morning with a glass of water to hydrate your body before having coffee. Go black. Skip the sugary creamers and stick with black coffee. It's cleaner, easier on digestion, and less likely to cause sluggishness. Choose quality blends. Opt for high-quality, low-acid coffee blends. They're gentler on your stomach and more effective for digestion. Mind your timing. Try drinking coffee about 30 minutes after waking up and on an empty stomach for better results. Here's a simple routine for anyone over 50 looking to improve their digestion with coffee. Start with a tall glass of water. This preps your system. Brew a cup of high-quality, low-acid coffee. Sip it slowly, without pairing it with heavy foods right away. Follow up with a small breakfast rich in fiber, like oatmeal or a banana, to support digestion further. If you're ready to optimize your coffee game, check out the link in my bio. My blog dives deeper into these tips and introduces Java Burn, a unique way to enhance your coffee experience and support digestion. Don't let your coffee routine hold you back. Make it work for you.